Hi everyone, I'm Boris in my channel as usual. And so what? Today was a weekend and I was in my garage. First one for a long time. Maybe I wasn't there 2 weeks, maybe. And I do nothing with my motorcycles, and it's so uh, sad because it's second day of March. It's springtime already, and so I have to do something, start something because time is go ahead, and we really waiting time um, when we will go riding, and so I have to do some maintenance. And I was in my garage today, and so I start some preparing. I saw for my motorcycle, I count some prices for my maintenance, and it's oil, it's oil filter, it's fork oil, it's dust seals, seals in my front fork. For my front fork, it's a springs in my front fork. It's custom springs. um, Also, I have to spend a lot of money. And I think, what about my painting my motorcycle? I'm not sure. Will I do this or not? But I think more realistic way it's do nothing with my painting, not spend time, not spend money. If I want to use this motorcycle on this season, if I want to use it in my riding outside of the city, to my travels with my wife and with my friends, and also if I have some plans for trainings with this motorcycle. And it became not so important to paint it, uh, to take some fresh color for my motorcycle, because it doesn't matter, because we will use this tool technique, and it can be uh, also get some damage, get some kicks, some scratch. And I think it will be more painful when you have some new paint, new color in the start of the season, and in this season you got some kicks, got some scratches on your new color. I think it will be more painful. And I have some plans for trainings, and it's also high level of risk to fall, um, to drop on asphalt my motorcycle, because it's part of trainings. So I think I will not paint my motorcycle, but I'm not sure. mm, I will count. I will count for my what price will be for my maintenance, and after this I will decide have I some money or time or not. So already, it's really so hard moment for me, because it's second day of March, and our roads so clearly, so clear asphalt, with no snowy, with no ice moments place, and it's so hard for me. Don't touch my motorcycle, don't start my engine, and don't start my riding in the middle of the day, because it's so sunny days, no so windy, and it's perfect, no snowing, no so low temperature for us. Yes, exactly. In the night it's so hard temperature, in this moment it's something around minus 70 degrees, but in the middle of the day we have some maybe minus 3 degrees, and it's so sunny, and it's so hard to stay, mm, keep calm and do not touch my motorcycle. But I think I will wait, maybe next week, and after next week I will see how it will be with weather, and how it will be with our temperatures. So thank you for watching today, and see you tomorrow as usual. Bye.